This one. So what will be the subnet mask for slash 30? 255.255.255.
252.
252.
252 will be the subnet
252.
mask. If anyone have any confusion, you can calculate it, right? This is nothing but the binary to decimal conversion. This will be the subnet
सर
mask.
हेलो सर
Yes.
सर इसका सबनेट मास्क सर कैसे निकाला, जैसे सेट 30 है तो ये लास्ट में सर 255 ठीक है, तो समझ में आया। जो इसके बाद सर आपने लिखा है वो सब कैसे आया सर, बताइए सर थोड़ा।
ओके, देखो आप गूगल से ये याद कर ले सकते हो आप डायरेक्ट।
सर
Is my screen visible, brother?
यस सर
See, for each classes they have mentioned subnet mask, and
यस
this is how I am calculating it. See that also. Let me show you. Slash 30 means if you will convert it into binary, then in first octet all bits is 1, that will be 255. Yes or no? In
यस
second octet also all bits is on, that will be 255. In third octet also all bits is 1, that will be
255
255. Let me convert in binary to fourth octet. So in fourth octet how many 1 are there? See, in fourth octet out of 8 bits, 6 bits are 1. Yes or no? And rest are 0. Getting me, brother?
यस सर
Now if you will convert this value in decimal, now you will get 252. If you will convert this value into binary, then you will get value 252. How?
ओके
Because this is your 128. This is 128. After that 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, is it clear now?
ओके
Okay, so my subnet mask will be 255.255.255.252. So total number of network will be what? Total number of
4.
network 4. How many bits we have borrow? 6 bits, brother.
6 bit.
sorry
6 bit.
So 2 to the power
64.
6.
64.
64 network. And valid host
4. 4
4.
minus 2.
4 minus
4
2
minus 2.
4
4
minus
minus
2.
is
Very
2.
good. 4 minus 2, and that will be 2. And block size 256 minus
block size
4.
4
4. 4. Block size is 4.
block size is 4. That means my first network will be 192.168.10.0.
Please, can we calculate, sir, can we calculate that valid host one more time? Because I thought it was supposed to be 6 minus 2.
No. See, number of network is, brother, it's very clear and very easy as well. See, formula to calculate number of network is equal to 2 to the power n, where n is borrow bits. So here you know, for this IP address by default CIDR value is /24, and I am using what CIDR value /30.
36
That
for
means I have borrow 6 bit. Yes or no?
yes
So this is the n. So 2 to the power 6 will be your network.
62 to 64
64. After that, block size. Block size formula is 256 minus subnet mask of last octet, and subnet mask of last octet is 252.
2
So it will be
host
4. After that, valid host. Valid host formula is 2 to the power h minus 2, where h is how many
Host.
host bits? See, out of 32 bits IP
Okay.
address, 30 bits are network bits. That means 2 bits are host bits. So 2 to the power 2
Oh.
minus 2
सर
means
ये
4
होस्ट
minus 2.
सर ये वैलिड होस्ट कैसे है सर ये
वैलिड होस्ट है क्या कि एक नेटवर्क के अंदर में सपोज करिए आपको नंबर ऑफ आईपी एड्रेस मिल रहे हैं 126 128. सो first IP address is always reserved for network ID that you cannot assign to computer, and last IP address is reserved for broadcast ID that you cannot assign to computer. So that's why we are subtracting 2 every time.
ओके
Okay, so first network ID will be 192.168.10.0. second network ID will be 10. Block size 4, then 10.8, 10.12, 10.12 plus 4, 16. Yes or no?
यस यस
10
Yes.
dot 60 plus 20, 10.24,
24,
10.28, like this.
28.
Yes or no? There are 64 networks. If I will talk about the last IP address of this network, so that will be 10.3. If I will talk about the first valid IP address, that will be 10.1, and last valid IP address will be 10.2. So there are only 2 valid IP address. Getting me? Whenever we will configure IP address between 2 router, then I will use /30 because that time I need only 2 IP address. Yes or no?
यस
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me give you example of subnetting from class B. Let me use one IP address from class B. Let's say 172.16.0.0. By default, this network ID belongs to which class?
B.
Class B. And by default, CIDR value for class B is
16.
16. Let me use 17. So if I am using 17, again, how many number of network are there?
1.
2 to the power 1.
To the power
That's
1.
2 to the power 1.
2 to the power 1, that will be 2. Yes or no? Total number of
Yes.
network is 2. If I will talk about the block size, so what will be the block size?
128 126
2 to the power
256
50.
minus
2.
128.
That's a block size.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because subnet mask of /27 is 255.255.128.0.
28.0.
Okay, so it will be 128. After that, valid host. Valid host will be what?
2 to the power 15 minus 2.
2 to the power 2 power
15
15
minus 15.
minus 2.
2.
Very large. Yes or no?
Yes.
So whenever we need large IP address, large amount of IP address, then only we will use IP address from class B or class A. See, I am getting very large number of IP address, 2 to the power 15 minus 2. Okay, okay, there are only 2 networks. So first network is 172.16.0.0. second network will be what?
128.0.
172.16.
128.0.
128.0. See, I am adding block size in third octet because last one is present in third octet only. Okay, what will be the last valid IP address? Last IP address of this network?
127 16.127
128.254.
127.255.
127.
And what will be the last IP address of this network? 16.255.255. Yes?
Yes, sir.
255.254
Yes, fam.
255.254.
255.255. This is the last IP
Yes, sir.
address.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the last IP address of first network. Yes, fam, do you have any question? First valid IP address
sir,
of
no,
this
sir.
network is 172.16.0.1, and last valid IP address of this network will be 172.16.127.250.
7.254.
Very good. Okay. See, there are lots of IP address between here to here. Okay. First valid IP address of this network will be
128.1.
1, and last valid IP address of this network will be
172.16.255.254.
254. Yes. Guys, this is subnetting. Okay. Now, let me take one example of 172.116.0.0/26. This is your homework. You will perform subnetting for this IP address. Or in your exam, in your book, there are lots of questions from the subnetting. If I will open any book, here also you can see CIDR value and subnet mask in your book. And here there are lots of example of subnetting that you should solve by yourself. See, from the class C, class C/27/28. With each slash you need to practice. Okay, so you will practice these questions from your book. That's why I have shared book /17. Which class? Class B. And you have example of class A also. You will have lots of dot while solving these questions. Okay, I am damn sure when you will solve each and every question you will have lots of dot. And after that there are some question. So let me directly ask you this question. Here you can find the answer of this question. Okay, question is, what is the maximum number of IP address that can be assigned to host on a local subnet that uses the subnet mask 255.255.255.224? Yes, can anyone tell me what is the maximum number of IP address that we can assign to host? That means it is asking you valid host. What will be
32.
the valid host?
14.
Thir-
14.
How to calculate valid
14.
host?
30, 32 minus 2. 30.
How you are calculating?
Sir, valid host means like a
2
host
format means
2 to
slash
the power 5,
27.
2 to the power 5 minus 2.
Yes, because 2 to 4 means what? 3 bits is 1 and
Is
5 bits is
0.
0. So these are host bits. So 2 to the power 5, that will be 32 minus 2 means 30. Option D is right. What about this question? You have a network that need 29 subnets. So see, okay, you need to design 29 subnets. So 2 to the power n, as you know, formula, this is the formula to find the network, number of network. This should be greater than and equal to 29. So can you tell me what should be the value of n?
32 5.
No. Okay, see this question. You have a network that need 29 subnets while maximizing the number of host addresses available on the subnets. How many bits you must borrow from the host field to provide the correct
5 bits.
subnet mask?
Sir, 5.
Yes,
5 bits. 5 bit.
5 bits. You will borrow 5
Yes.
bits because 2 to the power
Yes.
n should be greater than or equal to 29. So n should be what? 5 only. Yes or no? If
Yes, sir.
n will be 4, then how many network I will get?
16.
16. If n is 6, then how many network I will get?
64.
64. Very good. Now it's clear. What about this example? What is the subnetwork address for a host with the IP address 200.10.5.68/28? Now tell me what is the answer of this question.
8 subnets.
Which one? Option C?
5.0. 5.0.
D.
D. E.
Sir, D. Answer is
All
D.
are saying D. What about
D.
other guys? Few people are not speaking. Please speak. See, if you are right or wrong, it's not matter. But if you will not participate, then you will not learn. So please participate. Doesn't matter you are right or wrong. Hello. Okay. How to find the network ID of this IP address, guys? What will be the subnet mask of this? Okay. To find network IDs, tell me what we need to find actually. Actually, we need to find what? Block size only? Through block size, we can identify that this network, this IP
Yes,
address
sir.
belongs to which network.
Yes,
And
sir.
to find block size, you need subnet mask. So subnet mask of /28 will be
240.
very good. 240. So block size will be 16. Right? Now you need to find the nearest number which is divisible with 60. That is nearest to 68. That will be your what? Network ID. Because your first network will be 5.0, second network will be 5.16, third network will be 5.32, fourth network will be 5 dot what? 48. 5.64.
Wow, so block size.
Block size. Here you need to add block size.
It's 64.
64. So see, this is the number. And next network will be what? 5.64 plus 60.
80.
80. So tell me, this IP address belongs to this network or this network? Definitely this network, because this network is ending on 5.79. Yes or no? Then only it's 4.7. Yes, 5.79. Then only next network is starting from 5.80. So this IP address is between this range. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means option C is right answer, not option D. How many of you were saying D answer? Right? Is it clear, guys? Option C is your right answer, this one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
It is C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is this question. The network address 172.16.0.0/19 provide how many subnets and hosts per subnet?
Sir, answer is D.
Answer is D. How many bits we have borrow?
3 bits.
3 bits.
Three
So
bits.
definitely there are
F.
8 number
F.
of networks. So option A, B and C is the wrong answer.
F.
After that we need to find valid host to identify which one is right answer out of these 3 answer. Yes or no?
2 to the power 532 minus 2 is 30.
2 to the power
5.
why 5?
No.
Why 5 brother? Total size of IPv4 address is 32
Sorry,
bits.
sorry, sorry,
Out
sorry,
of
sorry,
32
sorry.
bits, 19 bits are host bits.
19.
Yes or no? So total number of network bits, 19 are network bits. So total number of host bits is
2 to the power
13.
13 minus 2.
13.
We have borrowed 3
Yes.
bits. We have borrowed 3 bits.
Let's borrow 3 bits.
We
Wait
have
a
borrowed
minute.
3 bits.
So 8 subnet. 8 subnets
8 subnet
and
is
maybe
confirmed.
4
What will be the valid host?
and 13 bit remaining.
13 bits is remaining. So 2 to the power 13 minus
F.
2
F
will be the
answer,
valid
sir.
number of hosts.
So
F.
So if you will
8,000.
calculate now, you will get this value.
8190. F.
F is the right answer. Like this, you can solve other question as well. If you want to solve with me, let me know. Or you guys can solve it by yourself. You have already this book I have shared through Drive. I think I have only not shared to Sunita. I will share today to Sunita as well. In fact, I am
I have
sending
not
it
received,
right
sir.
away.
And send to me too, sir.
So share your mail ID who have not received the book.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sunita, you also not share your mail ID, na?
No, yesterday in the chat, dropped the message. Once again, I can.
Yeah, please send once again.
Yeah.
Now I have some question of subnetting. So let me share that question and you guys need to share your answer quickly. There are only 20 questions, so tell me answer quickly. This is the first question. Till then I am sharing the book. Sunita, please share your mail ID again.
Yes, I shared on the chat.
Okay. Yeah, please tell me the answer as well, guys. See, the question is similar. Like from here also you can see these question and here also the questions are same. So tell me directly answer.
63.
63.
Mm,
What you need to find? You need to find the valid host of that network where this IP address belongs to. This is an valid IP address, maybe. So you need to find first network ID of this valid host IP address. After that, you need to find the other valid host ID from these IP addresses. Enter the last valid host type address. You need to find the last valid host address of the network from this user belongs to this IP address.
A63.
What about other guys? Nirav?
OD 62. Maybe 63 is broadcast.
Nirav, what should we answer?
63 I think.
63 because as the host part is 5 bits, so 2 to the power 5 will give you 32. So block size will be 32. So we will start from 86.0, then
Network ID
32.
of this IP address will be what? Network ID?
Network ID will be
61.
032. No,
No,
not that. 32, 64.
64?
No. Sorry. Wait. 32, 32, 32, 32.0.
32.
Yes, 32.0.
And next network will be
64.
86.64. So last IP
Yes,
address will be dot 63. But this is
63.
the broadcast ID, na brother?
Yes,
This is not
so
valid, but
63
it
is,
is asking
yeah,
you the
so
valid host.
the valid host will be 62 minus 1.
62.
So option D is the right answer.
Yes.
Okay, like these people are doing mistake in exam paper as well. Okay, guys. Guys, so be careful. Okay, see this question. What is the maximum number of subnets and host per subnet for 192.168.50.257, and this is subnet mask. I'm sharing the book. Till
D.
then, D.
16 subnet, 14 host.
8
Please
subnets,
check
sir.
Neeraj. He's saying right answer or not.
2 to 4.
Adil,
Maybe
you
we
have
have
also not
borrowed.
received book.
Sir, answer is C.
C.
Answer is C.
C.
Answer is C.
Yes, Nirav. Okay, let me find. This is, what is the network ID?
Mm.
Okay, how you are finding the maximum number of subnet 2 to the power n? N is what?
Network bits.
How many network bits I have borrow?
3.
3. So total number of network are 8.
8.
So option C is right. Okay. Valid host will be also 30. This is the easy question. Anyone can solve it. How many usable IP address I can get from /26?
$62.
Exactly 62. Option C is the right answer of this question. Which of the following answer is okay? This one is also easy question. Your router has the following IP address on Ethernet 0, that is 172.16.2.1/23. Which of the following can be a valid host ID on the LAN interface attached to the router? Okay, tell me what is the valid host out of this IP address from the network from which this IP address belongs to.
Class B.
Okay, yes, this is IP address of class B. Vishnu, why you are sharing your mail ID again? I have already shared Mohan, Vishnu to these guys. Okay, /23 means subnet
2.55.
mask will be what?
2.55.
Okay, tell me subnet mask for /23. 255
We
dot
have
255
borrowed.
dot
254.
254 dot
54.0.
0. Very good. Now block size will be what?
2.
256 minus 2.
2.
So network ID will be what? 16.0, 16.2 and 16.4.
Four.
So this IP address belongs to this network, yes or no? And this network is ending on
255.
16.255.
No, two dot. Sorry, it's 3.
3. Sorry, little bit mistake here. 16.0.0. Next network will be 16.2.0, 16.4.0.
0.
So this IP address belongs to actually this network. This network end on 16.3.255.
3.255.
Right. So
3
find which IP address belongs to this range. This IP address? No. This IP address? No. This IP address? Yes.
C.
This IP
C.
address?
Yes.
Yes.
D, answer D.
D and C also, na?
C. C.
Both answer are correct. C and D. Both belongs to this range. Okay. Can I configure this IP address on the interface of router? Yes, Neeraj, Neerav?
Yes, you can, sir, because it is not a network ID.
It is a network ID.
No, it's not a network ID, sir.
It is a valid IP address.
Valid IP address, we can configure it, sir.
Yes. What about this question? What is the broadcast address of network? This, and submit mask this. Broadcast ID you need to find now.
63, yes, sir. Okay.
$63. Everyone is
95.
saying 63.
95 B.
B. One people are saying B and one are saying D. Okay. What is right answer, guys? Broadcast ID. Okay, what will be the network ID? 192.168.116. What? Block size will be what? 256 minus
Block size is yours 32.
224, 32. Means your network ID will be,
Your network
this is
ID,
your network ID.
network ID is 96, sir.
This is your network ID or not? This is valid IP address or network ID? This is a network ID.
Yes, sir, it is a network ID, sir.
64. Next network will be 16.96.
96.
That means this IP address is ending on 116.95.
95.
So this is what? Broadcast ID, last IP address. So option B is the right answer. Yes or no? This question. What is the range of valid host of this IP address? If subnetting is clear, guys, then tell me what is the answer. What will be the valid host range?
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
Okay.
C.
See.
Yes.
Okay, guys, you can verify these questions. Okay, let me check which option is right. C. What other? Is option C is correct answer?
D.
Oh, D.
So I think
Now
D.
I have to solve. Okay. Tell me, what will be the subnet mask? 255 dot 255
224.
dot 255 dot
224.
224. So block size will be
32.
32.
32. So network ID will be what? 32 plus 32 plus 32, like this. You can calculate the network ID.
Yes, 160, sir.
It will be 160.
Hmm.
No, it is 223. 233.
225.
225. 225 is divisible with 32.
No.
You need to find the divisible number or nearest to this number, which is divisible with 32, your block size. That will be your network ID. First network, like 32 plus 32 is 64, plus 32 will be what? 96, and 96 plus 32 will be what?
128.
128.
128 plus 32 is
128 plus 32,
160. 160.
160. 160 plus 32,
192.
192. 192 plus 32,
24.
224.
224. And 192 224 plus 32,
256.
256. And 256 plus 32,
We can't go further,
288.
sir.
288.
Sir,
yes.
we can't
288.
go further, sir. I think we are escalating the value, sir.
Okay, so 223 here, right from this network. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 224.
Means my network ID is 192.168.187.224. Yes or no? And next network is 192.168.
256.
250, 256, 255.
255. 187.255. That means last IP address of this network is 187.254.
254.
First valid IP address will be 187.225,
5.
and last valid IP address will be 187.2.253.
253.
So you can find the range. See this one, starting from 1, no. Starting from 255, no. Starting from, it should be a start from 2 to 5, yes, this one, option B, and ending over 254. So option B is the right answer. Right. Next question is this one. Like this, you can, solve this question by yourself. Now I am moving further here. Now see, in an organization there are some department. Let's say there are 5 department. Total number of department is 5. Okay, and there are, let's say, 100 or 50 users in department 1, or let's say 20 users are required in each department. 20 users should be in each department. How you will perform subnetting? If you have IP address 192.168.10.0/24, let's say, how you will perform subnetting for your requirement? Means here you need how many network? 5.
5, but
So
We
2
will
to the
need
power
three
n.
bits.
We will borrow
Yes.
3 bits, sir.
You will borrow 3
3
bits. So
bits.
total number of network will be,
8.
yes, total number of network n will become 8, and valid host will be what then?
30. 30.
Valid host will be
32 minus 2.
30 in each network, right? Your requirement is fine. Yes or no? Like this you will perform subnetting over here. Now suppose if you have a organization, you are a network engineer in an organization, they have 5 departments. In department 1 they need, let's say, 20 users in department 1, 25 users in department 2, 30 user in department, let's say, 3, and 50 user in department 4, and you need, let's say, 60 users in department 5. First of all, tell me, can I use IP address from class C for this organization?
No.
Why, brother? See, total number of user in the organization is 60 plus 50, 110 plus 30, 140, 20,
185.
180, and around 205 IP address are required. Only around 120, 205 IP address are required. So why I cannot use IP address from class C? In class C, how many valid hosts are there?
32.
254. So if you will use IP address from class C, see, first of all, before understanding the class, see, this time earlier till now length of my network was fixed, same, yes or no? But the length of my network is now variable, yes or no? Length of my network is now variable. See, in this example, let's say length of both network is same, yes or no?
Yes.
Number of valid hosts in each network is same. So that means length of network is same. So this is nothing but your FLSM. What we called it? We called it FLSM. Fixed length subnet masking. Fixed length subnet masking. Masking. And whenever the length of your network is variable, that is known as VLSM. VLSM. Variable length subnet masking. Masking. So till now we had discussed FLSM, fixed length subnet masking. Now we are going to discuss VLSM, variable length subnet masking, because length of my network is now variable. Okay, if I have one IP address, let's say from class C 192.168.10.0/24. So first of all, to perform FLSM, we need to arrange our requirement in descending order, right? Like in department, in which department we need more IP address? In department first. So we will put the department first on the top, 60 users. After that, we need 50 users. Then we need 30 users. then we need 25 users, and then we need 20 users, right? Now try to understand the requirement. First you will perform subnetting for 60 users. So if you need 60 valid host, then H should be what? So formula here that you will use is same formula, 2 to the power H minus 2. What happened?
2 power 6.
What happened here? 1 second. Why my pen tab is not working? Okay, leave, pen tab is not working now. I will check it later. Okay, so first I will perform subnetting for 60 users. So if I need 60 users, formula is 2 to the power 2 to the power H minus 2. So 2 power H
6.
minus 2 should be greater than or equal to what value? Or equal to 60. This is your requirement. 2 to the power H minus 2. So here you need to find the value of H only. Can anyone tell me what will be the value of H?
6.
Okay, if H is 6, so 2 to the power 6, that is 64 minus 2, that is 60. If H is, if you are saying H is 6, then N will be what? Number of network bits will be what?
2.
Total number of network bits. Not I am talking about the small n. I am talking about the capital N. Total number of network bits. Out of
26.
32 bits IP address, 6 bits are
26.
6. Means your network will be 192.168.10.0/26. Done. This is the network ID. Next network will be what, guys? Next network
Next net
192.168.10. What?
10.65.
65. Next network.
Next network is 64.
64.
64 plus 64.
Not 64 plus 64. Next network will be 64 only. Na?
64.
Sorry, 64. 64.
So this network is now free. This network will end on which IP address? 192.168.
10.63.
10.63. Now /26. I have reserved this network for which department? For department 1. Got it? And for department 2, I am going to find the slash value. So in department 2, we need 50 IP address. So what should be the slash value?
26, sir. Same slash value.
Same slash value. This is reserved for which department? For department 2. For department 3, next network will be 192.168.10.
128.
128. For department 3, what should be the slash value? This time you need 30 IP address. So 2 to the power H minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 32. Then what should be the value of H? H should be 5.
5.
20,
If H is 5, then N will be what?
27.
27. If this is N is 27, CIDR value is 27, then what will be the next network ID?
160.
Now block size will be different. Now block size will be different. You can find. You can
160,
calculate.
160, 192, 160.
160.
160.
So this is result for department 3, and I am going to use next network, that is 192.168.10. 10 dot what?
160.
127 means 2 to 4. So block size will be
128 plus 64.
2 to 4. Then block size will be what? 32. So next network will be 160.
160, sir.
160.
160. Okay. So this is result for which department? Department 3. And in department 4, how many users are required? 25. So what should be the CIDR value?
Same 27.
27. Then next network ID will be what?
192. 10.192.
192.168.10.192 slash
27.
27. How many valid hosts are there in this network? How many valid hosts are there? 32.
32.
Here.
32.
32. Here
62.
62. Here
62.
62. And here also
62.
not here 62, no brother. 62.
Here is in third is not 62. It's 32.
32. You can see your requirement is done from class C. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is benefit of subnetting. Actually, we are wasting very less number of IP address now in my organization. Yes or no? And this is FLSM. Now I am going to give you one task. Task is 172.16.0.0, and by default CIDR value is, as you know, 16. Now your task is we have 10 number of departments. In department 1, I need how many IP address? 2000 IP address, let's say. In department 2, I need, let's say, 1000 IP address. In department 3, I am writing directly. In department 3, let's say I need 500. In department 4, let's say I need 300 IP address. In department 4, okay, this is department 4. This is department 5. In department 5, let's say I need 150 IP address. In department 6, I need let's say 100 IP address. In department 7, I need only what we can say 60 IP address. In department 8, let's say I need 50 IP address. In department 7, 8, 9, I need 30 IP address, and in department 10, I need 25 IP address. Can you solve this problem, guys? Can you calculate it? Can you do subnetting for my requirement? This is, let's say, requirement of an organization. Done? So you all guys can solve it, yes or no? If you will solve it, then tomorrow I will start OSI model.
Yes, sir. We can solve it, sir.
Yes or no? Because it is easy and we had discussed same things. We had discussed same thing with class C. I am asking you from class B. Process will be same, method will be same, formula will be same. Okay. Okay, guys. This is initial day, that's why I am not teaching you, lots. Just I have finished the subnetting. Tomorrow I will start OSI model, but before that I will ask you question from the same question. If you guys will solve this question, then I will move to OSI model. After OSI model, we will start routing. Actually, in the OSI model we have header, so OSI model will take 2 to 3 days. After that we will move to routing module. Now we are discussing the basic module. In basic module, you have subnetting, IPv4 address, MAC address, OSI model headers, right, and network fundamental like collision domain, broadcast domain, okay, connection, physical layer. So we will discuss those things as well. Okay. So if anyone have any question for today's session, you can ask now. Otherwise, that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow.
Are we meeting tomorrow or we are meeting on Monday?
Yes, on Monday.
Okay. I wanted to be
Sorry.
sure. All right.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Abhishek,
Yes, sir. Fine.
clear Abhishek, subnetting.
Yes, sir. Everything is clear.
So please you will solve the question, okay, which
Sure,
I
sir.
have given you.
Sure,
And there are some question of subnetting in book, so please try to solve those as well.
Yes.
Okay then.
सर इसकी
Bye bye.
रिकॉर्डिंग भेजिएगा
Yes. Recording तो अभी भेज दूंगा.